we are introduce highlight features or overview summary of Erivess 1.6 cu.ft portable clothes dryer. Consists of the following features. Powerful and versatile drying solution. Our compact dryer packs a punch with a 1.6 cu.ft capacity, handling 10 pounds of wet clothes. 5 drying modes: cool down, gentle cold air, anti-wrinkle, standard garments, bulky clothing cater to various fabrics. The 120-volt operation with a 3-prong plug fits standard outlets. Its quiet operation at around 58 decibels won't disrupt your peace. With front loading and an easy control panel. Advanced features for optimal drying. The innovative design of our dryer includes full rotation for even drying and a multiple filtration system to remove lint and pet hair. The double-layer link filter and overheat protection enhance safety. It's suitable for drying all kinds of clothes, from baby clothes to large garments. User-friendly and convenient operation. With knob-designed buttons and simple controls, this dryer is effortless to operate. The removable exhaust pipe and connector make installation a breeze. You can stack it on a washing machine or place it alone. Efficient and space-saving design. With 800 watt power, it reaches up to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Ideal for apartments, dorms, and RVs, 15.7 x 22 x 18.9 inch. The stainless steel drum ensures durability and even drying, while the filter traps lint effectively. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.